Sometimes the best family meals come from simple ingredients. My little ones are coming home soon. I want to make them something delicious. What I love about this dish is the way every ingredient keeps its own character, but they all share the same rich flavor. My favorite part, no extra water. The tomatoes create their own rich sauce. God's secret seasoning tip, always add salt at the very end. For me, cooking is not only about food, it's about taking care of the people I love.